we were running the Dominion Skating Center in Winchester, and we had one of the worst snowstorms we ever had. I had that little rubber tire tractor trying to move snow, but I couldn't do anything with that. Dad had his Massey 600 still on the parking lot, and I went out there and fired it up. It's got a bucket on it so big you could pick up a car with it. Man, that was moving snow great. Sue and Smokey were living inside of the rink, and Smokey pulled in the entrance and he got stuck. So when I was down there moving snow, there was no place to put it except in the back of his truck. So I cleared the snow, and later he was telling me about it. He said it got froze and he had to beat it out of there. I apologized, but there wasn't nothing else I could do. But I don't know how that other guy made out when it snowed, but I never would have cleared that parking lot. That snow, it was 4 feet deep, and I loved every minute of it.